Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix it if you can't sign into the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Wow, this is probably going to stress a lot of people right here, but don't worry, I'm going to break down the fixes step by step. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. If the signal is weak, you got to move closer to the router or switch to another network. Okay, next update the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Sometimes an outdated app is going to make out problems. Restart your phone. That's already a bright and smart way to clear up glitches ahead. Anyways, also look for your date and time settings. Go to settings and set them to automatic. If the time is wrong, Microsoft servers can't link up properly. Another step is to clear the app cache on Android or just reinstall the app on iPhone or Android. Oh great, this usually makes up the app fresh again. If you still can't sign in, remove and re-add your Microsoft account inside the Authenticator app. That's what you want to do if the account data is corrupted a bit. Sign in from a browser first at Outlook.com or Office.com. If you can log in there, your account is fine and the app is the one acting up. Over here, don't forget to check permissions. The app needs access to notifications, camera, and network. If permissions are off, you're going to run into errors. Disable any VPN or proxy because those can block sign-ins. Look for extra verification like text codes or backup email. Sometimes you gotta confirm your identity before the Authenticator app lets you in. Already make sure your device software is updated. Outdated iOS or Android can cause the app to crash. And if this is a work or school account, call on your IT admin. They might demand extra settings that you can't change on your own. So yeah, that's the adequate list of ways to fix can't sign into Microsoft Authenticator app. Pretty easy once you break down the steps. I would like you to hit that like button if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips ahead. And if you got any other questions, drop them below and I'll go after them in the next video.